So I work with a lot of women. I've done makeup for a long time. And the thing that women always tell me is, I tried to do this thing. I watched a bunch of makeup tutorial videos and they didn't help. And I'll tell you why, exactly why they didn't help. The first thing is when you're watching a makeup tutorial video, the person who's doing it on themselves has a completely different face shape, bone structure, skin type, age, lighting, so many different factors that it is nearly impossible to really make it custom to your face. Second, it is because you might have different tools. You might have different products. The way they use the products, the way they use the tools might not match up with all of the things I said before and the tools and the products that you have. Basically, it's kind of like when I first bought this house that we're living in, and I thought I could do these like DIY tricks to, I don't know, fix the frame, my door frame. And I go on YouTube, they make it look so easy. And next thing you know, I'm causing a way bigger issue on my door frame because my door frame is custom. It's a weird size because they built it that way in 1947. I don't know. And there's no possible way that I could completely align that. Now, all that's to say that it can be helpful. Okay. I'm not saying that nothing about it is helpful. Have I found YouTube videos to help me with home DIY projects? Absolutely. Have I, as a makeup artist, found makeup tutorial videos that have helped me do makeup on other women or even on myself? Absolutely. So I want to change the narrative of how you approach getting ideas and tips and tricks while watching your YouTube videos. That's what this is here for.